Good morning everyone. Welcome to KV Maths. I am Amaresh from Gajoka High School. So up to now we have discussed up to irrational numbers. So today we have to learn about logarithms. So before explaining logarithms, let's see an example. Here 5 equals to 10 power x. Let's take like this. Here x is called logarithm of 5 to the base 10, and it can be written as log 5 to the base 10 or log 5. Once see this. Suppose let's take a number like 5 equals to 10 power x. Here x is called logarithm of 5. X is called logarithm of 5 to the base 10, and it can be written as log 5 to the base 10 or log 5. So in general we can write it as if suppose take a power x equals to capital N, then we can write it as x equals to log capital N to the base a. See, if a power x equals to n, then we can write it as x equals to, that is what we have taken here now, x equals to log n to the base a, where it has some properties where a is greater than 0 and a not equals to 1 and n is greater than 0. And another property also there, and a comma n belongs to real numbers. This is very important. In general, if a power x equals to n, then we can write it as x equals to log n to the base a. Simple, no? Where 0 is greater than 0, a is greater than 0 and a not equals to 1 and n greater than 0 and a comma n belongs to real numbers. You may have a doubt that how is logarithms used in our daily life and what is used to learn logarithms. Logarithms helps us to calculate the bigger multiplication sums into smaller ones. So let's do page number 18. See, open textbook page number 18. There you can see do this. I am telling important do this sums. First sum. See what is first sum. 64 equals to 2 power x. It is given like this, no? So it is asked to calculate the value of x. That's what given, no? Check it once. Yes. Write the powers to which the base is to be raised in the following. So what you need to find is find the value of x. So do the prime factorization of 64. 2 into 32, 2 into 16, 2 into 8, 2 into 4, 2 into 2 and 2 into 1. So 64 equals to 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 power 6 equals to 64. We got it. And now see second sum. What is second sum? 100 equals to 5 power b given. So now do prime factorization of 100. Do the prime factorization of 100. Is it possible to get 5 power something equals to 100? 5 square into 2 square. So this is how we can get. But there is no only single base 5. There is also double base 2 also. Double number 2. So right, it is not possible to write 5 power b equals to 100. Simple. Still there are another 3 sums. Do them as your own. And now let's see page number 18. Try this. You may have a doubt why you are doing do this and try this. So I will answer. Do this and try this are the sums which we have to do by our mental capacity. It is given that log 32 to the base 2 equals to x. It is given like this, no? So now check it. It is in the form of x equals to, see, in the form log n to the base a equals to x. So log n to the base a equals to x. So how we have changed this? See here. Here it is there, no? A power x equals to n. It is the general form. While converting into the logarithm form, it became x equals to log a to the base, x equals to log n to the base a. So what is the general form? A power x equals to n. General form is a power x equals to n. So what is a here? 2. 2 power x equals to n is 32. So now find the value of x. 32 equals to 2 16ths. So 32 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5. So x equals to 5. We got it. So let's do second sum. Log 625 to the base 5 equals to some number given y. So it is in the form log a to the base b equals to n. So how can we convert b power n equals to a? This is a general form. So here what is b? B is 5. So 5 power, what is n? Y. B power y equals to a is 625. So let's check it out. How much? What is the value of y? So 625. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 5 are 5 25s and 5 square. Okay, so 625 equals to 5 power 4. So 5 power y equals to 5 power 4. So y equals to 4. We got it. So do third sum and fourth sum as homework. So let's do page number 19. Do this. So before going to do this, there is another theorem. I will explain you that. It is some like formula. Suppose it is given like log xy to the base a, then we can write it as log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. See this, you can understand. If suppose log x into y to the base a equals to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. So do page number 19, do this. Page number 19, do this. If you know the formula only, you can write or you can solve the sums. These are very important. First sum, 35 into 46. So what it is? 35 into 46. Now use logarithm method. So finding 35 into 46 is a very bigger thing. So simply log of 35 into 46 to the sum. If there is no base, means there is a base 10. This is very important. If they did not give any base, then it is 10. I am telling in Telugu. ఒకవేళ మనకి కిందన బేస్ ఏం ఇవ్వకపోతే అక్కడ 10 ఉంది అని మనం ఊహించుకోవాలి. To the base 10 equals to, what is the formula? It is log x into y to the base a equals to log x plus log y. So log 35 plus log 46. This is how we can write. This is how we can write it. So again 35 can be written as, so write that one on the bottom, log 46. So again 35 can be written as log 7 into 5 plus log 2 into 23. So again apply that formula, log a into b to the base, log x into y to the base b plus log x into x1 into y1 to the base b1. So again change it into that form. You will get log 7 plus log 5 plus log 2 plus log 23. This is the final answer. Very simple sum. I will explain another sum also. Given 235 into 437. So log of 235 into 437. So it can be written as log 235 plus log 437. So 235 can be written as log 235 can be written as 5 into 47. 5 into 47 plus 437 is a, that's what, prime number. So just write log 437. So it can be written as log 5 plus log 47 plus log 437. If you have any doubts, comment me or keep in the live chat if you are in live, or join in the WhatsApp group to ask me in WhatsApp. I will explain the third sum also. Of 1437 into 3568. So log of 2437 into 3568. So log of 2437 plus log of 2068. I have done this by the formula. Again I am telling you the formula. See, log x into y to the base a equals to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Every sum I am doing is just by following that formula only. So log 2437, where 2437 is a prime number. So 3568 is 2 power 7 into 31. So 2 power 7, log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2. 7 times we have to write it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus log 31. If you have multiplied from here to here, you will get 3568. These are the factors of 3568 into 31. Okay, simple. So if suppose we have to find 3214 divided by 2134, then how to solve? Up to now we have discussed only up to multiplication. Then what we have to do if they have given division? For division also there, I will tell you. Log x by y to the base 10 can be written as log x to the base 10 minus log y to the base 10. Hope you understood this. If they have given multiplication, we have to add. If they have given what, division, then we have to subtract it. This is another formula. Now see, I'll tell you both the formulas. Again I'll tell you. See, if they have given suppose log x into y to the base b equals to log x base b plus log y base b. If they have given log x by y to the base b equals to log x to the base b minus log y to the base b. Very simple. Just read these formulas. I'll wait 2 minutes. Write it in your book. Okay. Now let's do page number 20. Do this. Page number 20. Do this. So let's change the ink of the pen. Green. Page number 20. Do this. First sum is 23 by 34. So changing into the logarithm form, we get log 23 by 34. We got. So it can be written as per formula log 23 minus log 34. If in case there is a multiplication, we have to add it. If it is division, then we need to subtract it. That's all. Sum is completed. If they have not given any base, then we have to take it as 10. ఒకవేళ అక్కడ మనకి ఏమీ బేస్ ఇవ్వకపోతే 10 అని మనం ఊహించుకోవాలి. సెకండ్ సమ్ 373 by 275. Again changing into the logarithm form, we get log 373 by 275. Then log 373 minus log 275. Simple. And third sum and fourth sum do as homework. So another formula also there. If suppose it is given like log x power n to the base a can be written as n log x to the base a. Sorry. This is another formula. Log x power n to the base a equals to nth log x power base a. For example, it is given like log 2 square power a. Then we can write it as 2 log 2 base a. Okay, hope you understood. 2 log 2 base a. This is another formula. Every formula in this is very important, so learn everything. Now let's do page number 21. Do this. As usual, I will tell 2 sums. You do another 2 sums as homework. See the first sum. Log 7 power 25 to the base 2. It is in the form in log x power n to the base b. So it can be written as nth log x to the power base b. So log 7 power 25 to the base 2 equals to 25 log 7 base 2. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, ask in live chat or in comments or join in the WhatsApp group. In that my number will be there. You can talk to me. Second question. Log 8 power 50 to the base 5. So it can be written as usual. As per formula, we can write it as 50 log 8 to the base 5. Okay. Now do 3 and 4 as homework. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed up to now, subscribe, like and share the video. I will give the WhatsApp group link in the description. Join in it. Thank you.